So today we will unbox DJI Mini 4 Pro, which I just received today from Amazon. I'm really excited to open this box. This is the DJI's latest Mini, and it has a lot of features like obstacle avoidance and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The Mini 3 only had three directional obstacle avoidance. So I'm really excited about it, and let's start. As you can see, I took this time the DJI RCN2 instead of going with the RC2 or RC as in DJI Mini 3 Pro. The problem there is that because you don't have the built-in Wi-Fi connection in that, and if you're in the middle of the forest or in a playground and suddenly you have to get some GeoZone permissions, and then you have to connect your phone's hotspot and then connect to the dedicated controller. In this case, I prefer to just this is the lesson that I learned by connecting DJI or by playing with DJI Mini SE2, that actually it's better to just have the connected phone, and that way you don't have to go and have this Wi-Fi hotspot and all. Yeah, you do get your work messages in the middle of your drone flying, but that's all right. That's not such a big deal. They might even be useful, right? So all right. So we have this box here. Now we will. So as you can see, the specs, looking at the box from outside, is saying that it's ultra light and foldable, less than 249 milligrams, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K 100 FPS. Wow. HDR video. I think 48 megapixel photo was in Mini 3 as well. That's not a Mini 3 Pro. The flight time is more or less the same. We have 28 kilometer FSD video transmission. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's continue with our box opening and see what we find inside. So what is going on here? So I opened this side. Now do I have to open this side as well? So I guess we have to take it out here. We have a Mini 4 Pro, as this box is showing, obviously. Now let's see what's inside this over here. Okay, so we have I guess the packaging is always very comprehensive packaging. It's not something that you would need a knife or something like that, some kind of a box cutter. So let's try it. Okay, here we go. So here we have I think this is the RC, if I'm correct. So this is the RC. What is the RC trying to show here? Okay, there you go. So that's your RC, and here are the cables we got. As you can see, the cables are, you have a USB cable, you have, I think, a screwdriver, you have propellers, extra propellers, and you have the USB cable, which is USB 3, I guess, right? And then you have these adapters for the phones. So I have Android, so I don't have, I would say that I would probably need that one. So this is okay. So this is, here we are. So there we go. So here is the your RCN2. What is this RCN2 looking like? RCN2 is probably not much different in terms of looks as RCN1 on DJI Mini or SE2 is. So I would say in terms of surprises, I wouldn't say expect a lot here. Here, there we go. So here we have now our new RC, and they have those, you know, they always put those joysticks in the holder, so you have to take them out and attach them. I guess this, we are all used to that, so that's all right. That's not a problem here. So I see it's more or less in terms of looks like RCN1. We'll see what extra features it has on top of that. Alright, let's continue with drone itself. As you can see, it's beautifully nestled in the bottom of the packet, like a baby nestles in the bosom of its mom. So I guess we have to take it out now. At this point we can say Om Ganeshaya Namah, like we say in Hinduism. Whenever we start any activity, we pray to Ganesha. And since Ganesh Chaturthi was around the corner, I would say it's really a good occasion to open the drones. This is your, I guess, what does it say? It says silica gel, do not eat. Alright, you know that. So here, the guys, here is your drone. So as you can see, the drone is, let's see now. Now I see some differences. I was reading that it is slightly different from the way Mini 3 looked, because it has some of the features of Mini SE2 back, in the sense those holders or the stands. So let's take it out. I hope I can take it with one hand, camera in one hand. Okay, there you go. Now another good thing, as you can see, is they also have provided this time those propeller guards, which is awesome, because you know that was actually one of my biggest gripe, that without the propeller guard, the propellers always kind of a bit you have to. So the battery cover, as you guys can see, is already there, and I'm going to charge this as soon as possible so that I can fly it tomorrow morning first thing. So there we have, you guys, there's your DJI Mini 4 Pro unboxing video. I hope you guys would get into this hobby and learn to fly, not just the drone itself, but even your imagination, so that you can be more constructive and helpful to yourself and the society. Bye bye for now, and until the next video, adieu.